Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai immigration yet again, and we're discussing the concept of Thai immigration being closed when one's visa is expiring. Now, I am making this video when we are dealing with the COVID-19 or the coronavirus outbreak, and so it's kind of tailored to that. But this is a more general video insofar as this can happen for various reasons. Government shutdowns of all types, and there's ramifications, and there's a protocol for dealing with it. So, for example, let's say one's visa is going to expire and the government, for any unforeseen reason, closes. And that closure lasts for a relatively prolonged period of time. Or let's say one's visa expires over a weekend. Let's use the weekend first. If one's visa is going to expire on a Saturday, the best thing to do is get there on a Friday and go ahead and make best efforts to get the visa dealt with, the extension, I should say. We're talking about extensions of stay. Get the extension dealt with beforehand. But what if that's not possible? Well, strictly speaking, immigration takes the position that they will deal with the matter as if it occurred on the day of expiration, if they were closed, on the next available day. But understand, they are very strict on this. So if it happens on a Friday, if the visa expires on a Saturday, or the extension for that matter, expires on a Saturday, the next available day they will be open is Monday. If you don't get in there by Monday, Tuesday, it's not a foregone conclusion they're going to deal with you, and in fact, they'll probably view you as having overstayed and treat you accordingly. But in our experience, the next available business day when immigration is open is a possibility. Now, if during this coronavirus outbreak, for example, a full lockdown ensues and they actually shut down Thai immigration, then presumably if someone's visa expires or their status expires, if they're in extension status, if their status expires while the immigration office is closed due to coronavirus, then the next available business day they are open is going to be when you need to deal with this. And so those watching this video, be well aware that this is going to come up. So if the thing closes down, you need to keep an eye on your visa and keep an eye on the news and when they open back up so you can get right down there and get it dealt with. Now, under the extenuating circumstances of coronavirus, I'm hoping immigration offices are going to be accommodating, and to this point, they seem to be relatively reasonable. But you need to make best efforts to get down there at the first opportunity to get one's immigration status sorted out, because failure to do so can be very problematic. Holidays can also cause a visa issue. So if one's visa is expiring, for example, over Songkran, which over here in Thailand is often a prolonged holiday, and generally speaking, especially with respect to visa extensions, immigration offices don't really want to deal with those unless and until the date that the extension review has ended. So the actual date of one's extension review ending and the need for the extension to be applied may not come up until a holiday is ended. Again, the rule of thumb, the next available open business day is when you need to deal with getting your visa extended here in the Kingdom of Thailand.